Hi, what's up everybody? In this video tutorial, I have another questions. Find the sum of x which is equal to 1 times 2 plus 2 times 3 plus 3 times 4 plus dot dot until 2024 times 2025. This one looks huge, right? But it's not really huge, okay? So I'm going to solve it for you. I'm gonna make it easy. Okay, so now you have to write 2 as 1 plus 1 and then plus with 2 factor with so 3 which is equal to 1 plus 2, okay, and then plus so 3 factor with 4 which is equal to 1 plus 3, and then keep going dot dot until 2024 and 2025 which is 1 plus 2024, then equal to, so expand this and expand this, and we are going to expand each term. So we will get 1 plus 1 square plus 2 plus 2 square, 3 plus 3 square plus dot dot plus 2024 plus 2024 square. Okay, so now I'm going to group 1 with 2 with 3 and then dot dot until 2024, okay, and then we group 1 square with 2 square with 3 square and then dot dot until 2024 square. Okay, so let's remember that the natural number from 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot plus until n which is equal to n factor n plus 1 divided by 2, okay, and then 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dot dot until n square which is equal to n factor n plus 1 factor 2 n plus 1 and then divide by 6. Okay, so this formula we are going to use it, and the sum of x will be equal to 2024 factor 2024 plus 1 divide by 2 and then plus with 2024 and 2024 plus 1 factor 2 times 2024 plus 1 divided by 6, okay, and then we are going to calculate this number. Then we will get, so 2024 simplify with 2, we will get 1012 times with 2025, okay, and then we can simplify 2024 with 6, okay, and we will get 1012 times. So now here is 2025 divided by 3, we will get 675 and times with, so this number here which is equal to 4049, okay. Alright, so then we have to take this number multiply with each other, then we will get 2049 and 300 plus with, and for this number here, so we will get 276587190 and 0. So we plus with each other, so we will get 2767921 200, okay. So that is the sum of x, and finally we have solved this problem, and I hope you can understand. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye, see you in the next video.